Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we delve into a crucial aspect of landscape design, backyard garden edging and tips to elevate your backyard outdoor space with garden edging. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Often overlooked, effective edging can transform a haphazard outdoor space into a polished, visually appealing extension of your home. Let's begin by understanding the foundational purpose of this design element. Garden edging, at its core, is the creation of a defined boundary between different areas of your landscape. It serves to separate planting beds from lawns, pathways, and other surfaces. This delineation is not merely aesthetic, it's functional. Edging prevents the encroachment of grass and weeds into flower beds, maintains the integrity of mulch or gravel, and provides a crisp, clean line that enhances the overall structure of your garden. It's about bringing order and definition to your outdoor space, creating a sense of intentional design and refined presentation. Beyond the visual appeal, the benefits of garden edging are substantial. Firstly, it simplifies maintenance. By creating a physical barrier, you reduce the time spent weeding and redefining bed lines. Edging also helps retain moisture in planting areas, minimizing water runoff and ensuring your plants receive adequate hydration. Furthermore, it adds a layer of protection to your plants, preventing damage from lawnmowers and foot traffic. A well-defined edge can also increase property value by adding a finished, professional look to your landscape. In essence, garden edging is a practical investment that yields both aesthetic and functional returns. How do I decorate my backyard garden with edging to look good? Achieving a visually pleasing garden edge requires careful consideration of design principles. Firstly, consider the style of your home and garden. A formal garden may call for straight, precise lines, while a more relaxed, cottage-style garden can benefit from softer, curved edges. The material you choose should complement the overall aesthetic. Pay attention to the height and thickness of the edging. It should be substantial enough to create a clear boundary but not so imposing that it overwhelms the plants. Incorporate varying textures and colors to add visual interest. Consider the context of the surrounding landscape and ensure the edging complements existing features like patios, walkways, and water features. Finally, maintain the edging regularly to ensure it remains sharp and clean, contributing to the overall polished look of your garden. What is the best materials for backyard garden edging design? The choice of material for garden edging is crucial, as it impacts both the aesthetics and longevity of your design. Here are 10 excellent options, each with its unique characteristics. 1. Brick. Offers a classic, timeless look. Durable and versatile, bricks can be laid in various patterns, providing a sturdy and attractive edge. 2. Stone. Natural stone, such as flagstone or cobblestone, adds a rustic, organic feel. It's highly durable and blends seamlessly with natural landscapes. 3. Metal and steel or aluminum. Provides a clean, modern edge. Flexible and easy to install, metal edging is ideal for creating sharp, defined lines. 4. Wood-like treated lumber or redwood. Offers a warm, natural aesthetic. Ensure the wood is treated to resist rot and decay. 5. Concrete pavers. Available in various shapes, sizes, and colors, concrete pavers provide a durable and customizable edging solution. 6. Recycled plastic. An eco-friendly option that's resistant to rot and insects. It's flexible and easy to install, making it suitable for curved edges. 7. Terracotta tiles. Adds a Mediterranean touch with its warm, earthy tones. Ideal for creating a decorative and visually appealing edge. 8. Bamboo. Provides a unique, natural look. It's lightweight and easy to install, adding a touch of exotic charm to your garden. 9. Landscape timbers. Larger than standard lumber, these provide a robust, rustic edge. Perfect for raised beds and larger gardens. 10. Gravel or pebbles. While less defined, a gravel or pebble border can create a subtle, natural edge. It's easy to install and maintain, adding texture and contrast to your garden. When selecting a material, consider the climate, soil type, and the overall style of your garden. Durability, cost, and ease of installation are also important factors to weigh. Always prioritize materials that complement your existing landscape and meet your specific needs. Backyard garden edging is a transformative element that can elevate your outdoor space from ordinary to extraordinary. By understanding the purpose, benefits, and design principles of edging, you can create a polished, well-maintained garden that enhances the beauty and functionality of your home. Remember to select materials that complement your style and provide lasting durability. With careful planning and execution, garden edging can become a defining feature of your landscape. Thank you for joining us on Homes Decor Designs. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Leave a comment below and let us know which edging design you prefer. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more expert tips on home and garden design. We encourage you to transform your backyards with these amazing ideas. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.